Hello everyone, I'm gonna be very short, but I have something to share with you guys. I've been making $3,000 just yesterday. But you know what is very surprising, guys? I didn't pay any advertising to make this money. You wanna know what type of business will make me this money? I'm talking about pay per call. Free traffic method I use, they start giving me result. I'm making video about some HVAC services, and suddenly one of my video pick up. There is one of the video that I made, and I'm gonna explain how I made the video. Don't worry, it's not something very difficult. Anyone can do this. So one of the video that I have on TikTok, take off and made me over 3,000. This video it's about HVAC. I just take some compilation video from people on Instagram or on Reels and on Facebook, and I just put them together and put my face side by side with this video. So like low level editing, it's something very basic. Anyone can do this. So what I do sometimes, I just shake my head and I give some face expression to show that I am making the video original. I just avoid the originality problem with TikTok. Sometimes I just react, I laugh to make the video become something unique, something that is being created by me. But in reality, it's not my video. I just took video from Instagram related to HVAC, like people installing HVAC system or people working on HVAC services. So, and on my bio on TikTok, I put a phone number, and sometimes I put my landing page that I create using my website, and people start calling after they watch the videos. So I make $55 for every phone calls that I generate. So this is what happened. A lot of people call and I generate money. So suddenly in one day, yesterday, I make $3,000 free traffic. So anyone can do it. So let me explain to this business model. It is pay per call. By the way, I have a training on the comment section below. You're gonna see the link of my training where I explain you how you can generate phone calls for this type of business. This is pay per call affiliate marketing. What you don't do nothing. It's like a lazy way to make money online. Very lazy way. You just have to make someone grab the phone number and place a phone call for some company. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I can give you some advice. Some company ready to pay you just for people to spend, let's say, 90 seconds, 2 minutes, or 1 minute over the phone, and if they do, you get paid. So what I do myself, some offer, I just create a brand new TikTok account where I just re-upload video, I repurpose them, re-upload video, and I put my face side by side on the videos. And when people start watching the video, and I put the phone number that the company give me, so people can call. Whenever they call, I make from $40 up to $50 per phone call. So it's an easy way to make money. So for me, pay per call is the business that anyone can start, even if you are brand new on the internet. You can just start joining some affiliate network, and when they approve you, they give you some offer. Start making people call in this phone number, and trust me, you're gonna see a lot of money, because this is one of the business that made me $10,000 easily per month, just by making people call in a phone number. I use mainly Google Ads because I want to speed up the process, because with Google Ads you can target exactly the people that the company needs, because you can receive some phone calls, they may not be targeted. The company may reject them because if they are not really how they want it to be. So it is sometimes it's better to use Google Ads. I have a training below where I teach people step by step how to use Google Ads to create ads for pay per call affiliate marketing, and you can generate phone calls for yourself. I have a lot of people that are not really my students, just my subscribers. They use my videos and they are making thousands of dollars just using my method. Sometimes I'm not very consistent. I know I don't post very often because I don't have only one business. I'm a real estate investor and I am in the affiliate marketing. Sometimes I am in the or on other business like Amazon, FBA. I have a lot of business. Sometimes if you don't see me post, it's because I'm very busy. But sometimes I will always come to give you updates, guys. If you like the video so far, and if you want me to coach you, click the first link on the description that explain how to get my training, and you will see why you're supposed to make a business online. Even if you have your business, your physical address. But let me tell you, just imagine without any office, any employee, and I make 3,000 just yesterday. Just imagine passive income. Some company ready to pay you up to $200. Let's say for some attorney services like lawyer, accident, attorney for accident, for car accident. Some of this company are ready to pay you $200 for a phone call. Just imagine you can generate 10 phone calls per day for a company that are ready to pay you $200. That's over $2,000 per day, guys. So guys, if you like it so far, share this video with someone that need a way to make money, a way to escape their 9 to 5 job and be free like I am. Send the video to them or save this video in your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next video. Bye bye.